going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We got Logan here today. We are obviously got to deal with a backed up bathtub. We run the sink and it comes up here. I started snaking out, but then I decided I'm going to record a video. We flush the toilet, nothing backs up, which is weird because it looks like it's feces inside, so I don't know what's going on with that. So the guy that called us in here said he tried working on this for a couple hours. We literally just started. I just got the cable in and through the P-trap. So let's yeah, see what we find. We're using the Milwaukee with the M18, and we got the 5/16 cable. And I think we got it. Shut that water off. Nothing came back. So like I said, the plumber that called us in to do this said he worked on this for a couple hours. You can see the remnants of stuff that he left. He worked on this yesterday, I guess. When I heard that, I told Logan we would come in here and clear it in less than 15 minutes. And I was right. I was right, Logan! So they're gonna have to come in here and obviously give this a good sanitize. I wanna thank you guys for watching. It's been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. That's Logan. Trogna.